What if I told you this eye-catching typography poster was made in just a few minutes, using only Canva? Today, I'll show you exactly how to create this and reveal 3 powerful text styles that instantly upgrade your designs. For our first text effect, open New Design in Canva. Here, type your text. Choose TT Bluescreen font. Now change its color to gradient red and white. Once done, type in all the letters of the text one by one. Select all the letters and choose Tidy Up to space them evenly. Now reduce their spacing so that they overlap one above the other. Arrange the letters in layers like this. Once done, select the text and go to Effects. Here, choose Shadow. Change its color to black. Adjust the blur, transparency, and other aspects. Now copy this style and paste it on all the letters. Download this page. Now duplicate the page again. Here, add an image. Resize it and send to background. Now bring the downloaded image. Flip it vertically and adjust it at the bottom of the main text like this. Here, after, go to Apps and select Image Blender. Here, adjust its anchor points. Reduce its strength to create a reflection effect like this. Then reduce its transparency slightly. And our final shadow with reflection text effect is ready. For the next design, type the text. Here, select Impact Font. Type in all the text letter by letter. Space them evenly. Now go to Effects and choose Outline. Change outline color. Now bring the letters close like this. Change the text color to background color. Add a rectangle behind the text and change its color to outline color. Download this design. Upload this image to next page and remove its background. Now go to Elements and search for paper. Select the suitable elements. Resize them and adjust it behind the text. Once done, download this image. Bring it to the next page and remove background. Go to Edits and Shadow. Select Curved and adjust the effect. Like this, the final image inside text effect is achieved. For the next design, add the text. Change the text color and go to Effects. Choose Neon. Download this as PNG. Upload the image on next page. Now go to Apps and search for Twist Filter. Here, adjust the twist effect as desired. When done, select Add to Design. Remove background, and then add a rectangle behind the text. Now add an image and remove its background as well. Duplicate this image and go to Blur. Arrange it over the main image like this, and reduce its transparency. Duplicate the blur image again, and put it behind the main image this time. Like this, we have a twisted text effect with a distorted image. Subscribe to the channel for more such Canva design ideas.